see, look here. Today we are going to learn the new topic, the cake that grows. The cake that grows. You all like cake now? But this girl in this lesson, her name is Mona. She is going to make the cake of mud. And now we learn. She with to help this girl, there is her pets animals which she keep in her house. One is rooster and another is dog. See here, look here. This is the dog who help her to make the cake, and this is the rooster, means cock. You can see. Now see, we are going to read the lesson. Pay attention. Mona digs in the garden with a stick. A dog and a rooster see her. The Mona, she went to the garden and she was digging with a stick. And what happened? The rooster and the dog, they both see her, what she's doing. And they come nearby her and ask her, "Hello, what are you doing?" The rooster is asking her, "Hello Mona, what are you doing?" "I am making a cake. I need some flour." Now she is saying that I am going to make the cake and I need some flour. You all know how to bake the cake, we need flour. Your mama she do now. In the same way, now this Mona, she is saying I need a flour to bake the cake. The dog hits a heap of mud with its paw. Means what now the dog, what he does? He with his hand, with his leg, he remove that mud and he makes the heap of that mud. And he says her, "How is this? See, you want the flour and I have done the flour for you. This is very good flour. Now I need some sugar." Now what she is saying, this is a very good flour you had done for me. This you had removed the heap of mud and now I want to put some sugar. You know now to bake the cake we need the flour and even the sugar in that. Now the rooster picks up few pebbles and drop them in the mud. Now what is the meaning of pebbles? Means the small stones. Now what that rooster is doing, he is picking one by one and putting in that mud. "How is this?" And he asks her, "How is this? This is nice sugar for you to put in your cake. This is very good sugar." She is saying, then Mona is saying, "This is very good sugar you have brought for me to bake my cake." Soon Granny comes. Now Granny also, she comes in the garden and she asks, "Hello, what are you doing?" She asks Mona, "What are you doing here?" "I am making a cake. I need some raisins." Now what she is saying, that I am going to make a cake and I want some raisins for that. Granny picks up last year's bean pond and opens it. You know this? See this. This is the beans, means that which is last year, means which is this all beans. Now you can see here now they are dried and you can put them in the mud, because you can sow them in the mud so that the new plants grow. So now Granny picks up last year bean pond and open it up. She opens and give it to Mona. That see, this you can put as your raisins. "Ah, these are your raisins. Such lovely raisins. Now I need some milk." Now she said, "Now I have got sugar, I got flour. Now I need some milk to put in that. Take this an empty jam tin." What now that Granny, she is giving her an empty jam tin and she is saying her, "Now you take this water in that and you can put on your mud. That is your flour. You are going to bake the cake that you can put there." "Thank you, Granny." What is Mona is saying? "Thank you, Granny, for giving me this milk, then milk tin, then raisins." Push, the water fills up the brim of the jam tin. Now she fills the water in that tin and she is going to put in that mud. Mona pours the water over the heap of mud and roll the sugar in it. Then she remembers the raisins. She picks up the beans and put them into the cake. "Now I need a tin to bake it." Now what she is saying? Now what did Mona? She took that flour which the dog has given her. Then the pebbles, means that is her sugar which the rooster has given her. She mixed that all in the mud and then she poured water and then she remembers the raisin which the Granny has given her. She takes that raisins and that also she mixed in the mud. And what she now took, this all is ready, everything is ready. All what she want to bake the cake, that everything is ready. Now she want a tin to bake it. So Granny, she's saying her Granny, now I want one tin to bake my cake. Granny gets an old shoe box. What she's giving her? An old shoe box. See here. See this Granny, she's giving her old shoe box to, and she's saying her, this is the old shoe box and you can bake your cake in this. Thanks once again Granny. Now she's saying, thank you Granny for giving me again the tin to bake my cake. Mona leaves her cake in a sunny corner and forgets about it. Now she takes a shoe box, she put that mud which she have mixed with pebbles, then raisins, then pour water in that all she put in that shoe box, means she keep in that shoe box, and she left it in the garden and she goes back home and she forgets about that. One day while cleaning the garden, she falls over something. One day again when she came to the garden, she was cleaning the garden and she fell down by something. It is her cake, but it has green things sticking out of it. Means now what happened? Now when she forgot about it, but one day when she came back to the garden, she saw that her cake. But how that cake was? Because of that beans which she has sown in that mud. For that small green plants have grown up in that cake. So she was very happy to see, what is this green thing sticking out of this mud? Granny, my cake has got candles. Now she's saying, calling her Granny and saying, now see, I has got the candles here. Granny finds a long stick and pokes it into the cake. Now that Granny, now she saw that small plants are growing from that mud, and so Granny brings one stick and put in that mud. So why she's putting? So that which all the plants come, they can climb on that stick. Means the creepers, you all know now, they climb on this, they need some support to grow. So the Granny, to make a support, she puts the stick in that mud. Now your candles have something to grow on. Now the Granny is saying, now your candles which has grown green color in the mud, they have something to grow. They are having support to grow. You see, by Christmas the candles are tall as Mona. Now till the Christmas, what happens? This all plants which she has sown in the mud, they all started growing. Then there are beans to pick on for the baked beans party, long and shiny ones. See now, see, look here. In this way, the beans were grown on that plant. So what she did? Now it was Christmas and she had a party. So she took that all beans to make the party for the dinner. Then of course the dog and the rooster are also there for the baked beans party. Now she has baked the beans, she had baked the bean, and even she called the rooster and her dog because they had helped her to make the cake. Mona is very happy that she and her friends can make a cake that grows. Now Mona was very happy because she have baked that cake with the help of rooster and dog, and now she said that she is very happy that she can grow a cake. She can make a cake that grows, and with the help of her friend, because it was very easy with the help of dog and rooster already she has made. Now she can even make the cake, bake the cake which is growing with her friend. Understood?